Hi, I got gifted this little children's digital camera. It is small, it is compact, it is super easy to use, and I'm so excited for my children to use it because mom takes pictures with her phone, so now they will have something to take pictures with as well, and then they can have their own picture. So I'm super excited about that. But yeah, super easy to use. Starting from the top here, power button, you hold it in, and then that is how it looks when it is turned on. Here is the shutter button, so press it, it takes a picture. You can switch it to video mode and then you press it, it'll take a video and it'll record sounds as well, so super cool. And then here is a zoom in and zoom out button, as well as, so you can zoom in with this button, zoom out with this button, as well as you can enlarge photos with this button right here as well. And then here is the little toggle, so when you're in the menu, you just up, down, sideways, super easy to use that way. And then when you are just in this main screen here, they all have different things here. So this is for the flash. If you look at the top corner of the screen, you'll see that, oh goodness, you'll see that like the flash is now on, and then it's auto, and then off. And then this, if you press this right here, this camera will turn to 3 photos. So when you take it, it'll take 3 photos automatically, and then just press it again to turn it off. Right here is the timer button. So you press that if you want to set a timer, and then down here is the trash. So you can delete photos if you do that. And then here's the display and the menu button. So both just kind of give you, like, you can just kind of change the look of the display here. And then here is the menu, and you can just toggle and choose different resolutions, different, so here it's standard, monochrome, high saturated, red, and you just kind of click through. Here's the photo resolutions, 48, 36, just has so many different options for a children's camera, but also just super simple, super easy to use. When taking a photo, it automatically, focuses and stuff like that. So it does have a lot of the automatic stuff as well. All right, and when you press the display button, you will also find your photos. So here is a couple photos I took, oh, that's the rug, of my child's little semi, just to kind of show you the quality. It looks just super bright. It's not showing, it looks a lot better on this screen than it does through the phone, but it is a children's camera and it does take decent enough photos. So super excited for my child to use that. To turn it off, just hold it in, and then it has a little song to turn off again. On the side here, it did come with a little SD card, so just like one of the really tiny ones. Here is the charging port, and you are able to put this one on a tripod, so that is super fun for kids because they can set the timer, they can stand in front of it and do stuff, and then they can be in front of the camera as well. So I love that you're able to put this onto a tripod. All right, it did also come with a reader. So USB on one side, USB-C on the other side. So you can kind of transfer things and see your photos, and then you just put the SD card or that little one in the side here, and then you can just put it onto your computer or onto your phone. So excited that I can put it straight onto my phone and that it came with the adapter right away. It did come with a lanyard as well, and then a little carrying case. And this is a pretty heavy duty bag. It has a really nice thick fabric, really good quality, and the camera fits in there perfectly. And then you just drawstring it tight, and then your child can take it wherever they want.